Hello. Now, in this grammar, Unit 6, Lesson 1 and 2, I am talking about two or not enough. Two or not enough. In this video, you will learn how to use two and not enough. Let's see together. The usage two and not enough are used for talking about things that are possible or not. For talking about things that are possible or not. For example, this hat is too small for her to wear. This hat. I am talking about this hat in the picture. Is too small for her to wear. Or I can say, this hat isn't big enough for her to wear. Either we can use small or we can use not big. When we have not, we have to use not enough. When we have positive sentences, we should use to. More examples. The jacket is too heavy to wear. The jacket is too heavy to wear. The jacket is not light enough to wear. Heavy and light. Too heavy or not light. Okay? The positive form, we have noun plus be. What's be? Is, am, are, was and were, plus to, plus the adjective, plus for, plus object, or to infinitive, and to infinitive. The forms for positive, we use to with positive, as I said. The noun plus be. What is be? Very good. Is, am, are, was, and were. Plus to, plus adjective. If we have object, we should say for plus object. And to plus infinitive. Like. These jeans are too long to wear. Are too long to wear. These jeans are too long for him to wear. Here we have the object for him. For him. Okay? But when we don't have the object, we don't need for. This jacket is too expensive to buy now. It may be crisis, that's why it's too expensive to buy. This jacket is too expensive to buy now. This jacket is too expensive for us. For us. Why for us? Us is the object for, we use it with the object. To buy now. Okay. We have negative. What we should use with negative? Excellent, not enough. The noun be, not, should be, follow, with be. Not should follow is, am, are, was, and were. Okay, the adjective plus enough plus the next form is negative. What we should use with negative? Excellent, not enough. The noun fast plus be. It should be followed by not because we talk about negative. Plus the adjective plus enough. If we have object again, we should for the object. Plus to plus infinitive. Look, these jeans are not long enough to wear. These jeans are not long enough to wear. These jeans are not long enough for him to wear. Here we have the object. This jacket is not cheap enough to buy now. Or, this jacket isn't cheap enough for us to buy now. Now, we have the summary. To and not enough are used for talking about things that are possible or not. John is too full to eat the 3-course meal. John isn't hungry enough to eat the 3-course meal. Okay, now one more thing. When we use to, the adjective should be followed. John is too full to eat the 3-course meal. John is too full to eat the 3-course meal. John isn't hungry enough to eat the 3-course meal. One more thing not to forget. When we use to with the adjective, to should be followed by the adjective, but the adjective should be followed by enough. When we use enough, to plus adjective, or adjective plus enough. This is a simple difference and not to be confused. Okay, now I hope you get well, and thanks for listening and watching. See you in the next coming videos. Goodbye.